Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have one exercise. Find it that our figure is that we have this the angle AB. This is equal 45 degrees and this angle ACD equal 60 degree and the values of BC is equal 20 and this ADC is equal 8. Find it. And so now this to find the values of 8. Now I let CD equal Y. Okay, now let CD equal Y. And now this in triangle ACD, the CDs, ACDs, the triangle ACD, okay, or ADC, have this angle. This is rise, okay, rise at D. So now this will use 10, 10, 10 angle ACDs is equal ADs AD divided by this CDs, okay, CD, so it's equal 8 divided by Y. And now this 10 ACDs 10 ACDs is equal 60 degree is equal 10 60 degrees is equal 8 divided by Y. And we know that 60 degrees 60 degrees is equal square root 3. Okay, square root 3 equal 8 divided by Y. So now we get the values of 8 is equal Y and multiplied square root of 3. And now this we see in the triangle ABD. Okay, in the triangle ABD, triangle ABD is right angle at D. So it's right angle at this. And so now this we get 10 of angle ABD, 10 of angle ABD is equal ADs divided by BDs, okay, BD. So now this BC plus CDs equal BDs. So it's 10 45 degrees is equal 8 and divided by this 20 plus Y. Okay, now this we know that the angle of 10 of 45 is equal 1. So this 1 is equal to 8 divided by 20 plus Y. So now this I change it to the left hand side. So it's I get it this. Okay, is 20 plus Y is equal 8. And so now this 8 I replace it by Y square root 3. So it's equal to 20 plus Y is equal to Y square root 3. And now I change Y to the right hand side. So it's equal to 20 and equal Y square root 3 and minus Y. And this I take Y out of factors. This a factor of it. This we get 20 equal Y and multiply square root 3 and minus 1. So we get find the values of Y is equal 20 and divide by square root 3 and minus 1. And this we multiply overs and the denominators by square root 3 plus 1. So we get y is equal to square root 3 minus 1 and multiplied square root 3 and plus 1, and this 20 and multiply square root 3 and plus 1. And so now this equal the 20 and multiply the square root 3 and plus 1 divided by this square root 3 squares, we get this minus 1 squares, and if we simplify this we get 3 minus 1 and it's equal to, and this we get is 20 and multiply square root 3 and plus 1 divided by 2 and equal 10, and multiply square root 3 and plus 1. And so now this we get the values of y. So if we take this to replace in this equation, so this we get h is equal to 10 and multiply square root 3 and plus 1 and multiply this square root 3 and we get this 10 and multiply square root 3 squares and plus square root 3, and this equal 10 and multiply of 3 and plus square root 3, and we know that square root 3 is equal 1.7. So this I replace by 1.7 and we get 3 plus 1.7, and so it's equal 10 and multiply 4.7 and is equal 47 is the values of it. And so now this h equal 47 is our solution. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Goodbye.